everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing leftover rice pakoras. They're soft and spongy from inside and nice and crispy from outside. So now let's begin our process.
So guys, for this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of leftover rice, माने बचा हुआ चावल, 1/4 cup of wheat flour which is roti ka aata, 1/4 cup of cilantro which is dhania, half cup of gram flour also called as besan, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of coriander cumin powder which is dhania jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 mild green chili sliced, half teaspoon of turmeric powder which is haldi powder, and 4 tablespoon of curd which is also called as yogurt or dahi. And if the curd is a little sour, it will taste even better. And that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So now in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add the leftover rice. And then we are going to use a spoon and mash that rice and make it a little softer. This will help make our pakoras nice and soft. Once they are nicely mashed, then we are going to add some besan, which is the gram flour. Follow it up by the roti ka aata. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. Then the Kashmiri red chili powder followed by the turmeric powder. Then the dhania jeera powder which is coriander cumin powder, and the sliced green chilies, and some salt, and of course a little bit of sugar and the cut up dhania. We are going to also add the curd over here and give it a nice mix. Once everything is nicely mixed, let's start adding little water at a time, and then we are going to again give it a nice mix. And look at this, our batter is now almost ready. So I have kept the oil for heating to fry the pakoras, and once it's nice and hot, let's add about 3 teaspoons of this hot oil into our batter and give it a good mix. This will help make the pakoras nice and soft from inside. And now once it's mixed, let's add one by one a little amount of this batter into the hot oil, and we are going to fry them till the time they turn nice and golden brown in color. Also guys, make sure that the flame is on medium, and now our pakoras are looking lovely golden brown in color. So it's time for us to remove them on a plate covered with a paper towel so that it soaks up that excess oil.
So guys, aren't these pakoras looking super duper easy to make? And I'm telling you, they're going to be absolutely delicious. So why don't we just try them out? Ooh, look at that. You can still see a little bit of rice in there. This is actually my grandmother's recipe, guys. Little sweet from inside, little spicy as well. Absolutely delicious. Do make it. Do let me know what you think about it. Do click on the subscribe button right here, right now. And if you like this recipe, do click on this link as well as this link, because these are recipes which you don't want to miss. I can't stop looking at them. I can't stop eating them. They are just so good. I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, take care. Bye bye.